Good afternoon. My name is David Breeden, and in this presentation, I'll be walking through the Power BI analysis I built for the Canyon Retail Company. This includes 4 bar charts from our sales model, along with a calendar table that supports time-based analysis. I'll explain what each chart shows, what it means, and how it helps our leadership team making decisions. This is what I'll cover today. I'll start with the purpose of the analysis and the source data. Then I'll walk through 4 visuals: units sold by product, year, region, and region by vendor. I'll also show the calendar table that adds the time-based attributes needed for trend analysis. This first visualization shows total units sold by product name. I built it by adding a clustered bar chart in Power BI using product names on the axis and the total quantity sold as the value. This chart quickly shows which products drive most of the company's sales. If a product is consistently at the top, leadership can prioritize inventory, marketing, or vendor engagement around that item. Lower performing products may need reevaluation or adjustment in pricing or promotion. Here we're looking at units sold by year. I added a calculated year column to the sales transaction table and used it in another cluster bar chart. This visual shows our year-over-year performance. If we see upward movement, that reflects healthy growth. If the trend is flat, that may indicate sales leveling off. A decline would signal areas we need to examine more closely, whether it's competition, consumer behavior, or internal changes. This chart breaks units sold down by store region. I use the region name field on the axis and the total quantity as the value. This view gives us a clear comparison between regions. Strong regions may reflect stronger store location, foot traffic, or management performance. Regions with lower totals might need additional marketing, staffing attention, or adjustment to their product mix. This visualization combines the region and vendor dimensions. In Power BI, set region name as the axis, vendor name as a legend, and units sold as a value. This chart lets us see which vendors perform best in each region. If a vendor dominates across all regions, that's a strong supplier relationship worth nurturing. If a vendor performance varies heavily by region, that may reveal differences in customer preference or store execution. This is a calendar table I created using DAX. It includes every date from the most recent to completed years. I added columns for month, name, year, month number, weekday name, weekday number, and a workday indicator. This table allows us to filter group data by any time segment. It makes it simple to run comparisons like weekdays versus weekends, month-over-month analysis, or same week comparisons across different years. To summarize, the 4 visuals give a clear look at product year, regional, and vendor performance. These charts make it easy to identify top sellers, monitor trends, and see how each region and vendor contributes to total sales. The calendar table strengthens all future reporting by adding the time-based details needed for trend and seasonal analysis. Thank you for taking the time to review this analysis. Power BI gives us a strong foundation for monitoring sales performance and identifying opportunities. I'm happy to answer any questions or walk through any part of the model in more detail.